A frightening rail bridge collapse has been caught on camera, and that because of constant rainfall amid the flooding as well. The part of the bridge base gives way. This is the Delhi-Katra rail route, and that appears to have a base of the railway bridge base over the Chakki River. At Dhangu on the Delhi-Katra railway has collapsed due to the floods in the river. But remember, while this is concerning, this is a part of the railway bridge. Thousands of passengers passing over the bridge with the train that was en route as well. And then the bridge collapsed. Thankfully, we are told that no incident right now has taken place, but this is what one can only imagine as a nightmare that has happened, and we'll try and get more details on what exactly happened. Look at that. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us right now. Kamaljeet, look at that, there is a train passing through as the collapse of the base of the bridge is happening. Where exactly is this place? What are you picking up? This is Kangra, I correct myself, not Katra. Just tell me more about what part of this bridge is trying to a certain location exactly.
This is Dhangu in Kangra, which is near Pathankot, and what you see is that Khud area itself where the river is flowing. And remember, there has been a red alert which has gone on to several of the districts in Himachal today. The river has been overflowing, but because of this, what we've seen is that the entire area has become really soft, especially the area of sand. And even as the train moves fast, this is a broad gauge line because a lot of people associate the toy train which goes through that area, but that's not it. This is a broad gauge, and this is what we've been told is the train towards Delhi Jammu, which goes via Pathankot, and this is where what we can see via the visuals itself. Remember, this is exclusively accessed by India Today and the Aaj Tak group, and what we can show you is that this is a precarious place bridge, and remember, a portion of the sand now caving in, making the bridge unstable even as the passenger train quickly really moves towards its destination. But this is God's grace really that this is a narrow escape, not just for thousands of passengers aboard that train, but also for the Railway Ministry. Remember, the Parliament is in session. This could be a huge embarrassment. Remember, because of incessant cloud bursts and rainfall, a special committee has been formed by Ministry of Home Affairs. But meanwhile, what we can tell you is, and even as in the past 24 hours, a red alert has been sounded out in several places. What we're getting to you is the visuals from Dhangu area of Kangra, where a passenger train goes, and it has a narrow escape even as part of the area close to that particular bridge itself collapses. This could actually make this entire bridge very, very weak. Remember, the experts have to actually go and have a look at the area. But what we've been told is that the bridge is completely not really shut. But at this point of time, when we are breaking the visuals to you, the Railway Ministry as well as the Railways needs to look into this entire matter.
This is very important, Kamaljeet, what you're bringing to us. I hope that immediate repair work is done. At least the safety of the people needs to be considered first. Look at that, a train is passing through, filled with passengers. As Kamaljeet is bringing us this visual exclusively, and the base of the bridge collapses. It's a miraculous escape for hundreds of passengers on that train. And we hope that for now, the route has been shut, so there is no accident of any nature at all. Kamaljeet, appreciate you joining us and getting us these visuals.